Hello guys, and this is the 100 and I'm going to show you how to download craftable spawner. Oh, you're gonna search mod phone in here and click page 2. You will see here like that. Now let's download it. Click this for 1.8.1. Alright, let's download. Oh yeah guys, backup from Minecraft.jar, so that's what. So let's load this up. Click craft spawner. Click start. Click run. Type data percent. Click OK. Click that Minecraft. Click bin. Or click Minecraft.jar. Open with. If there's no winner archive in here, just click choose program. If there's a winner archive in here, just click winner archiver. Right. Just drag all this in here. Click OK. Make sure you copy that Minecraft before putting a mod in there. Now let's test it if it works. Alright, I will get it. Alright.
Kaya nga sa akala naman ni Ate Mila.
Oh shit, they are.
May-ari ng company. Kaya sabi niya, tawagan mo muna to.
Let's create a word.
Sige, sabi tawagan mo ng tao. Sabihin mo na mag-swap muna kayo. Kita kaya yung
alright.
O, diba? Di tumawag ka. Sampo. Ay, diba? Anim. Ayaw sa
alright guys, you will need a crafting table. Oh, it's really long, really long. Come on, come on.
Pumayag na kami lang tao kay
fuck, I don't want that.
Papasukin talaga, magalit sila sa akin. Hindi talaga papasukin. Eh ngayon, tumawag ko si Ate Mila, sabi niya, ano ba to, bigay mo sa akin ng number. Kasi forward lang, hindi naman magre-reflect yung
oh fuck, this here lagi. Just wait me guys, I just
message lang ang magre-reflect ko sa sabi niya, ilang taon
alright.
Ilang taon na daw nagtatrabaho, bakit ano daw ang rason bakit pinapo-force yung mag-design?
Where is that? We need some 4 wooden planks to make a crafting table. 1, 2, 3, 4. With a crafting table. Okay, sorry guys for the lag. Fuck this. I hate this. Fuck. Just wait me guys. I'm gonna change the world. Oh, player.
Hindi, ganito na lang. Nakutang nila ni 20 megit, diba?
Hello, Kang. Alright. We need a 4 planks and make a crafting table and put a table in there. Electric it. And we need some 4 iron ingots. Where's the iron ingots? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Then we need some mossy cobblestone. Okay guys, this mod needs mod loader. Alright, where's the mossy cobblestone? Mossy cobblestone, where are you? I always hate your mossy cobblestone. There you are. Ay, no. That's not a mossy cobblestone. Fuck. I hate this texture pack. There are milestone. Milestone, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Raw pork chop. Click raw pork chop in the middle and you can make pig spawner. If you want some chicken spawner, click an egg, put in the middle. So if you want Enderman spawner, you just click a Ender pearl in the middle. You can make Enderman spawner. And for the skeleton, you will need a bone in the middle. Wood spawner in the middle. Bone in the middle, you can make wood spawner. Sorry for that. And for the skeleton, you need a arrow in the middle. Skeleton spawner. For zombie, you need some. What the heck? Where's the rotten flesh? Rotten flesh in the middle? The heck? I forgot how to crop that. Shit you! Alright. For squid, I think you will need a ink. Where's the ink? There you are, in the middle. Squid. And you will need 4. What is fuck is that? 4 cows. 4 cows spawner. You will need a raw beef in the middle. Fuck that. There are, you need leather. See, a leather, you make a cow spawner. And for the creeper, you need a gunpowder. Where's the gunpowder? Gunpowder. Yep. Come on, where's the gunpowder, man? Gonna. For the slime spawner, you can make slime ball to make slime spawner. And for the creeper, you need the gunpowder. I can't find the gunpowder. What the heck? There you are, gunpowder in the middle. See, you can make a spawner. And for the gas spawner, what the heck? Always just go to the alright guys, just go to the website to learn about some hub spawner, but now they make. So guys, That's only the mod review.